OpenAI. OpenAI was started in December 2015 in San Francisco by Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, Elon Musk, and several others. The company became famous for creating ChatGPT and the GPT family of language models, including GPT 3.5, GPT-4, and GPT-4o, along with DALL-E for generating images, Codex for coding, and Sora for text-to-video generation. OpenAI operates from its headquarters in San Francisco and has grown rapidly to employ over 2,600 people, with some reports suggesting the workforce may exceed 6,000 employees focused on engineering and research. As a private company, OpenAI reported roughly $3.7 billion in revenue in 2024, and by mid-2025, various press reports suggest that they reached about $12 billion in annualized revenue, meaning if they keep earning at that rate, they'll make $12 billion in a year. But with all this explosive growth, some former team members left to build something different. Anthropic. Anthropic was founded in 2021 by a group of former OpenAI members, including Dario Amodei, Daniela Amodi, Jared Kaplan, Jack Clark, and Ben Mann. The company focuses on building safer, more interpretable AI systems and is best known for its Claude family of large language models and Claude Code for developers. Anthropic is headquartered in San Francisco and embraces a remote and hybrid workforce culture, with an estimated 1,300 employees as of 2025. Despite being a relatively young company, Anthropic has grown impressively, with revenue climbing to a run rate of about $250 million per month, which means if they maintain that pace, they'll generate $3 billion in a full year. While these newer AI companies race forward, one research lab has been at this longer than anyone else: Google Deepmind. In 2010, three entrepreneurs in London, Demis Hassabis, Shane Legg, and Mustafa Suleyman, founded Deepmind. Google acquired the company in 2014, and it now forms a core part of Alphabet's AI efforts under the name Google Deepmind. Deepmind is known for groundbreaking achievements like AlphaGo, which defeated world champions in the game of Go, AlphaZero for mastering chess by playing against itself, and AlphaFold, which revolutionized protein folding predictions. The company is headquartered in London with research teams spread globally, employing several thousand people dedicated to AI research. In 2023, Deepmind reported revenues of approximately £1.5 billion, and its advances also feed into Alphabet's broader AI and cloud ambitions. While Deepmind kept many models proprietary, another tech giant decided to give theirs away for free: Meta AI. Meta AI traces its roots to Facebook's AI research labs and is often dated to December 11, 2015, as a landmark point in its evolution. Today, it serves as the AI and research arm of Meta, formerly known as Facebook. Its evolution was driven by leadership support from Mark Zuckerberg and key AI figures like Jan LeCun and Rob Fergus. Meta AI is known for developing the Llama line of open-source large language models, conducting fundamental AI research, and building AI tools embedded throughout Meta's apps like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The division operates research offices globally, including in New York, Menlo Park, and London, and is part of Meta's total workforce of approximately 74,000 employees as of 2024. Meta, as a parent company, generated strong revenue of roughly $164 billion in 2024, primarily from advertising. With tech giants battling over AI models, one company focused on bringing AI to businesses everywhere: Microsoft AI. Microsoft was founded way back in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in Albuquerque, later moving to Redmond, Washington. Today, Microsoft's AI strategy centers on its long-standing Microsoft Research Division, Azure Cloud Services, and newer AI products like Microsoft 365 Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and the Azure OpenAI service that brings advanced language models to enterprise customers. The company's headquarters remain in Redmond, and with roughly 228,000 employees globally, Microsoft operates over 400 data centers in Azure cloud regions supporting its AI and cloud infrastructure. As a public company, Microsoft's Azure and cloud services generate around $75 billion in annual revenue, contributing to the company's massive total revenue reported in public filings. But all these AI models and cloud services need something critical to run. NVIDIA. NVIDIA, founded on April 5, 1993 by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preem, provides the essential hardware that powers modern AI. NVIDIA became the backbone of AI through its powerful graphics processing units, or GPUs, like the GeForce and RTX lines for consumers, and data center accelerators such as the H100 from its Hopper generation, and more recently its Blackwell infrastructure for AI training and inference. The company also provides essential software frameworks like CUDA and QDNN that make AI development possible. With approximately 36,000 employees operating in about 38 countries, NVIDIA has become indispensable to the AI industry. In fiscal year 2025, NVIDIA achieved a record-breaking revenue of $130.5 billion. While NVIDIA provides the processing power, another company built the infrastructure where AI actually runs. Amazon AWS. Amazon was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos in Bellevue, Washington, starting as an online bookstore before expanding into everything including cloud computing. Today, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the world's leading cloud platform, offering computing power, storage, and specialized AI and machine learning services to companies worldwide. AWS also develops its own AI chips called Trainium and Inferentia for training and running AI models efficiently. AWS headquarters are in Seattle, and the service operates through a massive global network of data centers, with Amazon employing hundreds of thousands of people across all operations. In 2024, AWS alone generated roughly $107.6 billion in revenue, a significant portion of Amazon's total revenue of $638 billion. The AI story extends far beyond Western companies, with China establishing itself as an indispensable player in the global AI revolution. Baidu. Baidu was founded in January 2000 by Robin Li and Eric Xu in Beijing, China, initially as a search engine. Today, Baidu is China's AI leader, offering AI and cloud services through Baidu AI Cloud, developing language models like Ernie, advancing autonomous driving technology with its Apollo platform, and creating smart devices. The company is headquartered in Beijing with global research and development facilities and cloud infrastructure, employing approximately 35,900 people as of December 2024. In fiscal year 2024, Baidu reported total revenue of about 133.1 billion yuan, which equals roughly $18.24 billion. And in the first quarter of 2025, revenues reached 32.5 billion yuan, or about $4.47 billion. While Baidu represents China's established AI leadership, one newcomer is shaking things up with a radically different approach. DeepSeek. DeepSeek was founded in July 2023 by Liang Wenfeng, who also co-founded Highflyer, a quantitative hedge fund, and is based in Hangzhou, Zhejiang Province, China. Despite being one of the newest companies on this list, DeepSeek has gained attention for developing efficient, large language models like DeepSeek R1, along with a chatbot interface and model APIs for developers. The company's research focuses on creating high-performance language models that require less computational power than competitors. DeepSeek operates from its headquarters in Hangzhou with a lean team of approximately 160 employees as of 2025. As a private company whose research priorities align with China's national AI development goals, DeepSeek has not disclosed detailed public revenue figures, focusing instead on research and development over mass commercialization. While DeepSeek pursues efficiency in language models, another Chinese company dominates a completely different AI field: SenseTime. SenseTime was founded in October 2014 by Tang Xiaoyu and Xu Li and is headquartered in Hong Kong with extensive research and development in mainland China. The company specializes in computer vision technologies, including facial recognition, object detection, and autonomous driving modules, and has expanded into generative AI with its Sense Nova models, smart city solutions, healthcare applications, and robotics. SenseTime maintains R&D labs globally, though it has reduced its workforce in recent years amid cost pressures. In 2024, SenseTime reported revenue of roughly 3.77 billion yuan, representing a 10.8% increase year over year, with its generative AI segment contributing about 2.4 billion yuan, or 63.7% of total revenue. Moving beyond China's AI ecosystem, another company is leveraging artificial intelligence to transform the entire transportation industry: Tesla. Tesla was incorporated as Tesla Motors in July 2003 by founders Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, with Elon Musk joining as a major investor and chairman in 2004 and later becoming CEO with co-founder designation sometimes extended to Musk, J.B. Straubel, and Ian Wright through legal settlement. Tesla is known for its electric vehicles, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, Cybertruck, and semi-truck, along with its Powerwall and Megapack battery systems, solar panels, vehicle autonomy software such as autopilot and full self-driving, and its now discontinued Dojo AI training infrastructure. The company is headquartered in Austin, Texas, with major gigafactories in Fremont, Austin, Buffalo, Shanghai, Berlin, and other locations, employing between 125,000 and 140,000 people in 2024. In fiscal year 2024, Tesla reported revenue of approximately $97.7 billion. But Elon Musk wasn't satisfied with just AI for self-driving cars. xAI. xAI, formerly known as X.AI Corp., was founded on March 9, 2023, by Elon Musk to develop artificial intelligence systems separate from Tesla. The company creates Grok, a large language model chatbot, along with Aurora for multimodal model tools, AI infrastructure, and integration with the X social media platform, formerly known as Twitter. xAI is headquartered in Palo Alto at Stanford Research Park and employs over 1,200 people as of 2025. It operates the massive Colossus supercomputer in Memphis, which launched with 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs and expanded to 200,000 GPUs by early 2025. Despite being less than 2 years old, xAI has achieved an annualized revenue of approximately $100 million in 2024. While xAI and similar companies focus on consumer applications, other firms are leveraging AI in a far more sensitive area: Palantir Technologies. Palantir Technologies was founded in 2003 by Peter Thiel, Alex Karp, Joe Lonsdale, Stephen Cohen, and Nathan Gettings, with headquarters now in Denver. The company specializes in data integration and operations platforms for government and enterprise clients, offering Gotham for intelligence and defense, Foundry for enterprise operations, Apollo for deployment, and their artificial intelligence platform called AIP for AI integration into private networks, with heavy use by the Department of Defense, intelligence agencies, and law enforcement. Palantir operates from Denver with global offices and employs approximately 3,900 people as of 2024, with a strong professional services team embedded with government customers. In fiscal year 2024, Palantir generated revenue of roughly $2.87 billion and reported net income of around $462 million. While Palantir brings AI to existing defense operations, one traditional giant has been doing defense for nearly a century: Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin was formed by the merger of Lockheed Corporation and Martin Marietta on March 15, 1995, though its heritage traces back to the Glenn L. Martin Company from 1912 and Lockheed's roots from 1926. The company is a leading aerospace and defense contractor, famous for producing the F-35 fighter jet and other tactical aircraft, missiles and fire control systems, rotary and mission systems including Sikorsky helicopters, space systems, and conducting advanced research at the legendary Skunk Works facility in Palmdale, California. Lockheed Martin is headquartered in North Bethesda, Maryland, with nationwide and global manufacturing and research sites, employing approximately 121,000 people at the end of 2024, including around 70,000 engineers, scientists, and IT professionals. In 2024, Lockheed Martin reported net sales of $71 billion. Yet this century-old giant now faces an unexpected rival, the tech-native startup, Anduril Industries. Anduril Industries was founded in 2017 by co-founders Palmer Luckey, Trey Stevens, Brian Schimpf, Matt Grimm, and Joe Chen to bring Silicon Valley speed to defense. The company develops autonomous systems and AI for defense applications, featuring its Lattice command and control platform, Ghost drones, the Altius UAV family, dust sensor nodes, Fury air systems, and soldier wearables like Eagle Eye, with a focus on rapidly building and deploying advanced sensor and strike capabilities for the Department of Defense and allied nations. Anduril is headquartered in Costa Mesa, California, with multiple U.S. sites and testing ranges, plus offices in Washington, D.C., Boston, Seattle, Atlanta, London, and Sydney, employing approximately 3,500 people as of 2024. As a private firm, analysts estimate Anduril pulled in about $1 billion in 2024, with valuations soaring past $30 billion in 2025 as growth accelerated. Beyond defense, AI is transforming another field where precision can save lives. Tempus AI. Tempus AI, founded as Tempus Labs in 2015 by Eric Lefkofsky, went public in 2024 under ticker TEM. The company operates an AI-driven clinical genomics platform for precision medicine, offering genomic testing, oncology services, data analytics for life science partners, and AI models that guide treatment decisions by integrating genomics, health records, and patient data. Headquartered in Chicago with labs across the United States and international partnerships, including a joint venture with SoftBank in Japan, Tempus employs approximately 2,400 people and manages millions of de-identified patient records. In fiscal 2024, Tempus reported revenue of about $693 million, raising guidance to roughly $1.26 billion in annual revenue by mid-2025. While Tempus uses AI to analyze health data for better treatment, another company is using AI to discover entirely new medicines. Recursion Pharmaceuticals. Recursion Pharmaceuticals was founded in 2013 by Chris Gibson, Blake Borgeson, and Dean Lee, emerging from research at the University of Utah. The company operates a tech bio platform that combines high-throughput biological experiments, automated wet labs, computer vision, and machine learning to accelerate drug discovery and identify new indications for existing drugs, with a pipeline spanning rare diseases and oncology. And it acquired Exscientia in 2024 to strengthen its molecule design and precision chemistry capabilities. Recursion is headquartered in Salt Lake City with U.S. and international labs, employing about 800 people, including wet lab staff and machine learning engineers. In fiscal year 2024, Recursion generated approximately $58.8 million in revenue, growing to around $64 million by Q2 2025, though the company remains pre-profit as it reinvests heavily into research, development, and acquisitions.